Lesson number 24, connecting peripheral devices to their appropriate ports on the computer. By the end of this lesson, you should identify ports and their specific connectors and demonstrate how to connect peripherals to the computer. What are peripheral devices? Peripheral devices are hardware devices that can be externally connected to the computer system through a port. These devices come with connectors that are plugged on specific ports. A port is simply a socket on the computer system on which the connector of a peripheral device can be plugged. Peripheral devices may perform input and output functions or both. Examples of peripheral devices are printers, cameras, scanners, and so on. You should note that all peripheral devices connect directly to the CPU of the computer system. Connecting peripheral devices to the computer requires you to recognize the port and the connector. Ports can either be male or female. Male ports have pins that accept female connectors, while female ports have holes that accept male connectors. At this moment, let's discuss types of ports that are usually found on computer systems. Serial and parallel ports are the most common. Serial ports are able to transmit a single stream of data at a time, while parallel ports transmit multiple data streams at a given time. In most cases, cables that connect to parallel ports are thicker than those that connect to serial ports. Peripheral devices like the mouse, scanner, and keyboard are connected to serial ports. Examples of peripheral devices that connect to parallel ports are printers and hard drives. Apart from having serial and parallel ports, the computer system has other ports. One example of such ports is the Universal Serial Bus USB. USB ports are faster and they allow different peripheral devices to be connected through one port. Some of the peripheral devices that connect through the USB port are digital cameras, printers, scanners, and so on. Note that most modern peripheral devices use the USB port to connect to the computer system. Other ports are network or Ethernet, which are used to connect network devices to the computer system. Audio ports connect audio devices like headphones, speakers, microphones, and so on. They input and output sound in and out of the sound card. There are various types of audio ports found on the sound card. These are one game port, one mic in jack, one line in jack, and up to 2 line out jacks. If you wish to transfer data or information at high speed, you can use Firewire port on Windows and Thunderbolt port on Mac. These ports are usually USBs. Note that we cannot forget to discuss display, digital visual interface DVI, video graphic array VGA, and high definition media interface HDMI ports. These ports are used to connect audio-visual devices such as projectors, smart and ordinary screens. As we conclude the lesson, you should note that peripheral devices can be connected to the computer system through wireless connections. This can be achieved by using Bluetooth, infrared, and Wi-Fi. Summary. In this lesson, you learned that peripheral devices are devices that can be connected to the computer system to perform input, output, or both input and output functions. You also learned that all peripheral devices can be connected to the computer system through specific ports or by wireless means through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and infrared. Revision exercise. Name these ports.